I built an entire world, 50 real cities, from nothing but a map. Every skyline, river, and street was generated with ChatGPT, then brought to life in Dzine and Seedance. Each world starts flat, until landmarks rise, rivers glow, and cities breathe like tiny dioramas. Thoughtful. Want to build your own AI worlds? Join our creator community. We share prompts, workflows, and tutorials. Let's descend onto our first map, the sunlit heart of Asia. We begin above Manila, where the Pasig River snakes through palm-lined streets. The Intramuros walls rise from parchment, chrome letters spelling Manila as the sun warms the diorama. Trivia. Beneath this city lies a maze of hidden World War II tunnels. Zooming south, the super trees and skyline of Singapore sprout from a glowing Marina Bay map. The pin pulses. The water turns mirror smooth. Trivia. Nearly half the city is covered in greenery, one of the cleanest nations on Earth. Bangkok comes alive from a humid golden map. The Chao Phraya River etches its path, and Wat Arun spires pierce the haze. Trivia. It's home to the largest golden Buddha on Earth. 5 tons of solid gold. Jakarta rises next, skyscrapers pushing through morning mist, street grids pulsing like circuits. Trivia. The city is literally sinking a few centimeters each year. Kuala Lumpur's map ripples green as the Petronas Towers unfold like silver blades. Reflections shimmer while chrome letters spell Kuala Lumpur. In Hanoi, rooftops unfold like origami, coffee steam drifting from cafes. Trivia. Vietnam is one of the world's biggest coffee exporters. And egg coffee was invented here. Tokyo electrifies the map. Roads lighting up like veins of neon. Trivia. Japan hosts more than 5 million vending machines, selling everything from ramen to umbrellas. Then, Kyoto appears. Torii gates, temples, and red leaves glowing under mist. Trivia. Kyoto has over 1,600 temples, still cared for by monks. Seoul glimmers in cold blue light. Han River bridges tracing across the screen. Trivia. South Korea has one of the fastest internet networks in the world. Finally, Taipei. Rainy reflections meet night markets. Chrome. Taipei rises slowly as lanterns flicker. Trivia. Taipei 101's bamboo-inspired design helps it withstand typhoons. That's 10 cities. Each one started as a ChatGPT prompt, styled in Dzine, and brought to motion in Seedance. Hit like if you want to see how these maps literally grow into worlds. South and Middle Asia. New Delhi forms around India Gate as the map ripples with warmth. Trivia. Chandni Chowk has traded continuously for over 350 years. Mumbai's coastline glitters. The Queen's necklace shines across the bay. Chrome Mumbai rises amid the traffic glow. Trivia. Bollywood releases more films each year than Hollywood. Kathmandu blooms within a Himalayan valley, prayer flags waving. Trivia. The valley holds 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Desert dunes shift into glass towers. Dubai rises around the Burj Khalifa. Trivia. 85% of its residents are expats from more than 200 nations. Doha folds from sea to skyline, white marble and blue water. Trivia. Its original wealth came from pearl diving long before oil. Ancient walls lift from parchment. Jerusalem glows at dusk. Trivia. Sacred to 3 major religions, Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Across the Bosphorus, Istanbul bridges continents under copper light. Trivia. The only city in the world that lies in both Asia and Europe. 20 cities in. Which one made you stop and stare? Comment below and join our community. We'll show you how to turn your ideas into living worlds. Europe, London breathes through fog. Big Ben rises as a red bus crosses the Thames. Trivia. Ancient rivers still flow beneath the city streets. Paris unfolds, the Seine curves, the Eiffel Tower gleams, cafe lights glow. Trivia. The tower sparkles only 5 minutes each night by law. Rome grows from aged parchment. The Colosseum stands in golden light. Trivia. It once held 50,000 spectators. Venice inks itself into being. Canals shimmer. Gondolas drift. Trivia. Built on 118 islands joined by 400 bridges. Berlin rebuilds from steel and graffiti. Trivia. Pieces of the Berlin Wall are now open-air art. Amsterdam's canals trace perfectly. Tulips and bicycles fill the frame. Trivia. The city has more bikes than people. Prague ticks to life. Towers and clocks gleam in miniature. Trivia. Its astronomical clock has run since 1410. Vienna unfolds like music, palace gardens and Baroque symmetry. Trivia. Half the city's residents play an instrument. Budapest glows along the Danube. Bridges lift through mist. Trivia. Fed by over 100 natural hot springs. Athens rises last. Marble temples catching the morning sun. Trivia. The Parthenon was once painted in vivid reds and blues. 30 cities, one breathtaking map. Handcrafted in Dzine and animated in Seedance. Join our Creator Hub to learn the process. From map to masterpiece. The Americas. New York City, the grid extrudes, towers rise, lights ignite. Trivia. Over 800 languages are spoken here. Chicago, Lake Michigan glows as the bean reflects the skyline. Trivia. The first Ferris wheel debuted here in 1893. San Francisco, the Golden Gate emerges from fog. Trivia. It's repainted year-round to prevent rust. Los Angeles, hills unfold. The Hollywood sign pops up letter by letter. Trivia. LA has more artists per capita than any U.S. city. Toronto, CN Tower rises beside a red streetcar. Trivia. Nearly half its people were born outside Canada. Vancouver, mountains shimmer above glass towers. Trivia. You can ski and surf here in the same day. Mexico City, ancient pyramids push through a modern grid. Trivia. It stands atop the Aztec capital Tenochtitlan. Rio de Janeiro. Green hills unfold. Christ the Redeemer opens his arms. Trivia. The statue took 9 years to build. Buenos Aires. Colorful La Boca streets ripple into view. Trivia. Tango was born here and still fills the plazas at night. Lima. Cliffs rise over the sea, mist glowing in dawn light. Trivia. Lima is Latin America's culinary capital. 40 cities done. Hit like if you want the full step-by-step tutorial. Africa and finale Cairo. Desert lines form. Pyramids rise through the heat haze. Trivia. The Great Pyramid remained the tallest structure for almost 4,000 years. Cape Town, the coast curls upward as Table Mountain unfolds. Trivia. It hosts more plant species than all of the UK Marrakech. Terracotta streets spiral outward, lanterns flicker under arches. Trivia. Its market has traded for nearly a millennium. 50 cities, 50 dreams. Each began as text, transformed into art, and came alive. From Manila's sun to Morocco's lanterns, this is AI world building in motion. Every map you saw began with ChatGPT prompts and animated frame by frame in Seedance or Dzine. If you want to make your own city animations, join our community for prompt templates, visual packs, and full timelines. And if this video hits 100 likes, I'll share every single prompt from Manila to Marrakech so you can build your own living world. Because this isn't just about maps or AI, it's about creativity, curiosity, and bringing imagination to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.